Hi children, I'm Pratyusha. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. In our previous class, we have learned subtraction through many activities, isn't it? So today we are going to do the subtraction exercise given in our textbook. Subtraction is nothing but to reduce or decrease or take away. In the picture you can see the girl is having 5 flowers, 3 yellow flowers and 2 pink flowers. So total the girl has 5 flowers. If the girl gives 2 flowers to her friend, then how many flowers will be remaining with the girl? 5 minus 2, that is 3. If 2 flowers are taken away from 5, the remaining will be 3. Let us look at the next box. In the first box you can see some leaves, right? How many leaves are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 leaves. If we take away 2 leaves, what will be the remaining? 4 minus 2, that is 2, isn't it? So if we take away 2 leaves from 4 leaves, how many leaves will be left? 2 leaves will be left. Look at the next picture, children. There are some butterflies on a flower. How many butterflies are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 butterflies. If all the 3 butterflies fly away, how many butterflies will be left on the flower? 3 minus 3, that is 0. If we take away all the butterflies, how many will be remaining? Nothing will be remaining on the flower. So 3 minus 3 is 0. If we take away 3 from 3, 0 will be left. Next, in the next picture you can see the boy has some pencils. How many pencils does the boy have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. The boy has 3 pencils. If the boy gives 1 pencil to his friend, how many pencils will be left with the boy? 3 minus 1, that is 2. If 1 pencil is taken away from 3 pencils, 2 pencils will be left. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next, children, here you can see some jugs, right? How many jugs are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 jugs. If 4 jugs are broken, how many jugs will be remaining? 6 minus 4, that is 2. Now let us look at the next picture. There are some frogs sitting at the bank of the river. How many frogs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 frogs. If 2 frogs jump into the river, how many frogs will be left? 5 minus 2, that is 3. Next, in the next picture you can see there are some leaves to the branch of a tree. Let us count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 leaves on the branch. See, some of the leaves have fallen down. How many leaves have fallen down? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, out of 9 leaves, 4 leaves have fallen down. How many leaves are left on the tree? 9 minus 4 is 5. You can do this by counting numbers from 4 to 9, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have more 5 steps to go from 4 to 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. In the next picture you can see some mangoes in a basket. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 mangoes in the basket. If the girl eats 1 mango, how many mangoes will be left in the basket? 5 minus 1. If we remove 1 mango, how many will be left? Yes, there will be 4 mangoes in the basket. Next, children, here you can see glasses. How many glasses are there here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 glasses. If all the 3 glasses are broken, how many glasses will be left? No glasses, isn't it? There are 3 glasses. If all the 3 glasses are broken, there will be no glasses. So no is indicated by 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. In the next picture, you can see some green pears. How many green pears are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 green pears. If we take away 4 green pears, how many will be left? Let us count the numbers from 4 to 7. 5, 6, 7. So how many numbers we have counted? 3 numbers. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Next, here you can see some apples. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples. If we take away 4 apples, how many will be left? 6 minus 4. So among 6 and 4, 4 is the smallest number. So let us count from 4 till 6. 5, 6. So how many numbers did we count? 2 numbers. So 6 minus 4 is 2. In the next picture, we can see a flower plant. How many flowers are there on the plant? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 flowers. If we remove all the 7 flowers, if we pluck all the 7 flowers, how many flowers will be remaining on the plant? 7 minus 7. No flowers will be remaining. So 7 minus 7 is 0. Next, you can see some cows here. In the first picture, there are 2 cows. If one cow goes away, how many will be remaining? 2 minus 1. That is 1. Next, children, towards left, you can see some books, right? How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? If we take away 3 books, how many will be left? 4 minus 3. What is the answer? Yes, 1. If we remove 3 books from 4 books, 1 book will be remaining. Next, here there are some tomatoes. How many tomatoes are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we remove no tomatoes, if we do not take out any tomatoes, how many will be remaining? 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, because we are not taking any tomatoes. So the tomatoes will remain the same. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Whenever you remove 0 from any number, the number remains the same. Next, you can see some thread reels. How many reels are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 reels. If we take away 2 reels, how many will be left? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next, children, here you can see some purple colored balls. Total how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls. 4 balls are crossed, isn't it? So if we take away 4 balls from 5 balls, how many balls will be remaining? 1, isn't it? 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. In the same way, try to answer the next one. Here some orange colored balls are given. Let us count how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balls. If we remove 2 balls, how many will be remaining? 6 minus 2. So let us count the numbers from 2 till 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers did we count? 4 numbers. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Next, here you can see some purple colored balls. Let us count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 balls and they have crossed 5 balls. Okay, how many are remaining? 9 minus 5. Let us count from 5 to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many numbers did we count? 4 numbers. So 9 minus 5 is 4. In the next picture, you can see some orange colored balls. How many are there? 4. And we have crossed all the 4 balls. If we remove all the 4 balls, how many balls will be remaining? 4 minus 4. Nothing will be remaining. So, the answer is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, there are 8 purple colored balls. If we remove 3 balls, how many balls will be remaining? 8 minus 3. Let us count from 3 to 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers did we count? 5 numbers. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Next, subtract and match. Children, towards left, some subtractions are given, and towards right, some subtractions are given. We have to solve them, and the answers are given in the middle circle. So we have to join them with a line. So let us solve 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is, let us count numbers from 2 to 4. 3, 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, 7 minus 2. So let us start counting from 2 to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have counted 5 numbers. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Next, 9 minus 1. Now let us count numbers from 1 to 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many numbers did we count, children? We have counted 8 numbers. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Next, 5 minus 1. Let us count from 1 to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many numbers did we count? We have counted 4 numbers. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Next, 6 minus 3. Let us count from 3 to 6. 4, 5, 6. So how many numbers did we count? 3 numbers. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Next, 7 minus 1. So we have to count from 1 to 7. Let us count the next number after 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers did we count? We have counted 6 numbers. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Next, 5 minus 0. 0 means nothing. We are removing nothing. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5 only. Now let us look towards right. 9 minus 5. Let us count from 5 to 9. The next number after 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many numbers did we count? 4 numbers. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Next, 8 minus 2. Now let us count from 2 to 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many numbers did we count? 6 numbers. 8 minus 2 is 6. Next, 7 minus 4. Now let us count numbers from 4 to 7. The next number after 4 is 5. So 5, 6, 7. We have counted 3 numbers. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Next, 8 minus 0. 0 means nothing. We are removing nothing from 8. So 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Next, 5 minus 3. Let us count from 3 to 5. 4, 5. We have counted 2 numbers. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, 8 minus 3. Let us count from 3 to 8. The next number after 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers did we count, children? We have counted 5 numbers. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Next, 7 minus 7. We are removing 7 from 7. So if we remove 7 from 7, what will be remaining? Nothing will be remaining. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Next, subtract. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. In the same way, you have to try the remaining, children. 5 minus 2. Let us count from 2 to 5. 3, 4, 5. We have counted 3 numbers. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Next, 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Next, 8 minus 4. Let us count from 4 to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have counted 4 numbers. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Next, 3 minus 1. Let us count from 1 to 3 to 3. So we have counted 2 numbers. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next, 4 minus 0. If we take nothing from 4, what happens? The 4 remains the same. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Next, 6 minus 5. If we take out 5 from 6, what will be remaining? 1, isn't it? Let us count from 5 to 6. After 5, 6. Only in one number we are counting. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Next, 2 minus 0. If we take out nothing from 2, what happens? The number remains the same. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Next, 9 minus 7. Let us count the numbers from 7 to 9. 8, 9. We have counted 2 numbers. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Next, 3 minus 0. If we take out nothing from 3, what happens? The 3 remains the same. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Next, 8 minus 8. If we take out 8 from 8, what will be remaining? Nothing will be remaining. So 0. Next, 6 minus 4. Let us count from 4 to 6. 5, 6. We have counted 2 numbers. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Next, 4 minus 2. Let us count from 2 to 4. 3, 4. So how many numbers did we count? 2 numbers. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next, write the missing numbers. Children, this is just like a puzzle. 8 minus something is equal to 7. Children, tell me, how much should we remove from 8 to get 7? If we remove 0, we will get 8. So, if we remove 1, how much do we get? 8 minus 1 is 7. Isn't it? 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Next, 5 minus dash is equal to 1. So, which number should we put in the dash? Let us try with 0. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Did not get 1. So, let us try with 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is also not correct. Next, let us try with 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. It is not matching. So let us try with 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is also not matching. Now let us try with 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Isn't it? So in this way, try to solve the remaining problems by thinking. That's all for today, children. Thank you all. Have a good day.